How to listen music together on Spotify. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can listen music together with your friends on Spotify. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So now the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that this feature is only available to premium users of Spotify. So first open up your Spotify and make sure that you're logged in into your premium account. After you do that, you can open up any song that you want to listen with your friend. After you open it up, tap on the three dots on the top right. After you do that, there you will see an option that says Jam. So tap on Start a Jam, and after you tap on Start a Jam, there you will get an option to simply scan a QR code or share the link. Tap on Share and share the link with your friend, and after your friend opens up the link, you will be able to listen the music together with your friend, and that's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.